little stars. Today we will learn about opposites. Let's learn them together with fun pictures.
Big. Small. This is a big elephant. This is a small mouse. Tall. Short. The cactus is tall. The cactus is short. Happy. Sad. She is happy because it's her birthday. He is sad because he lost his toy. Fast. Slow. The rabbit runs fast. The turtle walks slow. Hot. Cold. The soup is hot. The ice cream is cold.
Day. Night. The sun shines in the day. The moon glows at night. Open. Closed. The door is open. The door is closed.
Full. Empty. The glass is full of water. The other glass is empty. Up. Down. The balloon goes up. The apple falls down.
Light. Dark. It is light in the morning. It is dark at night. Hard. Soft. The rock is hard. The pillow is soft. Loud. Quiet. The drum is loud. The whisper is quiet. Wet. Dry. His clothes are wet from rain. Now they are dry. Young. Old. The baby is young. The grandpa is old. In. Out. The cat is in the box. The cat jumps out of the box. Near. Far. The boy is near the tree. The girl is far from the tree.
Thick. Thin. This book is thick. That book is thin. Laugh. Cry. The baby laughs when tickled. He cries when he's sad. Push. Pull. She pushes the door to open it. He pulls the rope.
Sweet. Sour. The cake is sweet. The lemon is sour. Inside. Outside. The dog is inside the house. Now it's outside.
New. Old. This is a new toy. That is an old toy. Awake. Asleep. The baby is awake in the morning. Now he is asleep. Above. Below. The bird flies above the tree. The roots are below the tree. Begin. End. Let's begin the race. Now the race ends. Strong. Weak. The superhero is strong. The sick boy is weak. High. Low. The airplane is high in the sky. The ant is low on the ground. Beautiful. Ugly. The butterfly is beautiful. The muddy bug is ugly. Dirty. Clean. The hands are dirty after painting. Now they are clean. Brave. Scared. He is brave in the dark. She is scared of the dark. Rich. Poor. The rich boy has many toys. The poor boy has just one toy. Healthy. Sick. She feels healthy today. He is sick with a cold. Fat. Thin. The cat is fat. The kitten is thin. Win. Lose. He wins the race. She loses the race. Float. Sink. The duck can float on the water. The car will sink in the water. On. Off. The TV is on. The TV is off. Left. Right. He turns left. She turns right. Over. Under. The frog jumps over the log. The frog sits under the mushroom. Alive. Dead. The flower is alive. The flower is dead. Angry. Calm. The boy is angry. The girl is calm. Male. Female. He is male. She is female. Heavy. Light. The elephant is heavy. The feather is light. Safe. Dangerous. He is safe in the car with a seatbelt. She is in danger near the electricity sign. Sit. Stand. The boy is sitting on the chair. The boy is standing on the floor. Buy. Sell. The boy wants to buy a bag. The girl wants to sell a bag. Early. Late. He wakes up early. He is late. More. Less. The boy has more balls in his box. The girl has less balls in her box. Give. Take. The boy gives a gift to the girl. The girl takes the gift from the boy. Long. Short. This is a long pencil. This is a short pencil. Front. Back. The boy is facing the front. We can see his face. The boy is facing the back. We cannot see his face. Cool. Warm. The snowy mountains feel very cool and refreshing. The sunny place with trees feels warm and bright. First. Last. The boy came in first in the race. The girl finished last in the race. Narrow. Wide. The hanging bridge is very narrow and hard to cross. The stone bridge is wide and easy to walk across. Woman. Man. She is a woman. He is a man. Enemy. Friend. He is an enemy. They are friends. Go. Come. He will go. She will come. Yes. No. He says yes. She says no. Same. Different. These two are the same. Both are apples. These are different. One is an apple, the other is a banana. Private. Public. The bike is private. The bus is public. Boy. Girl. He is a boy. She is a girl.
Hey, you did it. You learned 60 opposite words with pictures. Opposites help us understand the world better. Keep practicing them every day, and soon you will be an opposites master. See you in the next fun learning video.